Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you have forgotten your PayPal password and need to recover your account, then you can follow our steps. So let's get started. First thing first, open your web browser and go to the official PayPal website www.paypal.com. Now simply tap on the first option available there to navigate to the homepage of PayPal. Once on the PayPal homepage, look for the login button at the top right corner and click on it. After that, you should see the forget password option available there or forget email option available there. First thing, enter your email address for the verification. Then simply tap on the forget password. After you tap on the forgot password option available there, PayPal offers a few options to recover your password. First thing, if you have a phone number linked to your PayPal account, you can receive a code via SMS to reset your password, or PayPal can send a link to your email address associated with your account. You will click on this link to reset your password. So I have my mobile phone number linked with my PayPal. So I have clicked on my phone number and simply continue with the process. But if you don't have phone number, then click on the email. Or you can also set up security questions. PayPal may ask you to answer them to verify your identity. After that, depending on the option you choose, follow the instruction provided by PayPal to reset your password. Once you verify your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password for your PayPal account. Then choose a strong password and log in with your new password. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.